Hello there and welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to measure for your cabinet door overlay for face frame applications. Let's get started. Knowing your cabinet door overlay is very important, especially if you're going to be ordering new hinges. Here's what you're going to need to measure your cabinet door overlay. Some sort of masking tape, such as painter's tape, works really well. And in a pinch, you could even use sticky notes. And of course, a tape measure or a ruler. Whatever you have, it'll work. Got my sticky notes? Let's go measure for the door overlay. First, you're going to want to find the hinge side of your cabinet door. That'll be the side where your hinges are. Now with the cabinet door closed, you're going to place the tape or sticky note, as I'm using here, even with the edge of the door. Just be sure it's on the side where the hinges are, and you'll be A-OK. Now you open the door, and you can see the edge of the sticky note. Now take your tape measure and measure the distance from the opening of the cabinet to the sticky note or the tape. Normal overlays should be anywhere between 1/4 of an inch all the way up to 1.5 inches. So as long as you're in those parameters, you did it right. Well, there you have it. Easy as that. Now head over to Woodworker Express.com and place your order for your new hinges. What are you waiting for? Hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. As always, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below and we will be more than happy to assist you. Now that you got that all figured out, how about checking out one of these two new videos? I think the one on the left looks pretty fun. What do you think?